Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs iOS 14 or later. This is required for custom icons. Once done, open Shortcuts and tap the plus to make a new shortcut. Add the Open App action and pick the app whose custom icon you want to remove. This step replaces the custom icon shortcut instead of deleting the real app. Make sure to name the shortcut clearly, because you'll use it to swap or remove the custom home screen tile in the next steps. Now you edit the shortcut tile itself. Tap the 3 dots on the shortcut, then the icon at the top to edit appearance. If your goal is removal, choose Remove Photo or select a simple default glyph. Otherwise, pick the app's original icon image. Save the shortcut, then use Share and Add to Home Screen to recreate the tile with the new appearance. This replaces the custom icon. The underlying app remains unaffected. Make sure to delete any duplicate shortcuts afterward to avoid confusion. Finish by removing any leftover custom shortcut icons from the home screen. Long press and delete the shortcut, not the real app. If icons still persist, reset the home screen layout in Settings. This returns icons to default positions. If things go wrong, restart your device and make sure iOS is updated, because cached shortcut tiles can stick otherwise. If a specific app won't revert, remove its shortcut and create a new one with the default app icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.